Welcome ladies and gentlemen to Review Chainz. Today we are going to review the JBL Free. It's a like Apple AirPod solution from JBL. We're going to check how it works, what is good, what is bad, and what the battery life is, and if you should get it or not. Enjoy. First of all, we're going to open up the box, look what's inside, what we have, and then I'll show you what to do with it and how you can use it. First of all, you see this is the box where you can put the headphones in, and this charges the headphones. This is just some paper, some books, some manuals we don't need. Here's the extras for the earpods, so you can adjust them to the size that you feel comfortable with, and of course, known JBL charger. Now let's watch what we are doing it for. Those are here. First JBL and the second one. It's really nice. So this is how they look. Very small, tiny. Not too heavy also. This is protection for your headphones, so if you drop it, you don't really scratch it too much or it doesn't get damaged too much. It's shock absorbent, but at the same time, it makes sure that the headphone sticks, the earpod, headphone, whatever you want to call it, that it sticks better to your ear and it doesn't fall off. See? Push it in here, and when you put it over it, like this, you see the connectors are still free, so you can charge it. Oh, just easier like this. Just take them over, and again make sure that those are free, that it's good centered, so you can charge it. Voila! When you plug them in, you see immediately that they are charging. You see how full the case battery pack is. You can charge it up to 4. You can charge your headphones up to 4 times, and the battery life of your headphone themselves is they say 4 hours, but if you listen with some volume, it's more 3 hours. But it's quite well. When you put it back in, it takes like 20 minutes, 30 minutes to recharge your headphones fully. To recharge the base, you need 2 hours. The big question is, how is the sound? And to be honest, for like something that costs €130, around 140, $50, $130, this is quite nice. The basses are good, the sound is good. Even if you listen to hip hop, techno, whatever you listen with this, it just sounds good. You can also make phone calls. It also sounds very beautiful while you're talking. You have no issues at all whatsoever. And the sound quality is really nice. It's not the heaviest bass that you can expect from earphones, yeah. But they are very, very nice, especially compared to older other JBL headphones, knowing that the bass is not the strongest. Now, as you can see, you also have 2 buttons. On each one you have a button. Yeah, I'll explain how this works. Now, as for the functions of these two, it's very simple. Your right earbud is your main earbud. It means this is the one that's connecting to your phone. So if you press one click, it means you're accepting a phone call, or you're ending it, or you're pausing, resuming your track that you're listening to at the moment. If you press it 2 times, it will connect with Google or Siri, depending on the phone, Android or Apple OS, what you are using. And if you click it 3 times, it will resynchronize it with a secondary earbud. Yeah? So that's for the main earbud, the right earbud. What concerns the left earbud, if you press it 1 time, you will skip a track. If you press it 2 times, you will listen to 1 track back. And if you press it 3 times, once again, it will also resynchronize your 2 earbuds so they work together. Now, it doesn't happen that often that you have to synchronize them, but sometimes it does, and it's handy to know how to do it. Otherwise, you will have to put them in, take them out, reconnecting them until they reconnect, while actually you just have to press the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, here or here. 1, 2, 3. And they are resynchronized. And as I said, the sound, the music is beautiful. The volume is very nice, especially for wireless earbuds. They look strange, but they sit very comfortably. Even if you're running, you're doing sports, they won't fall off. Even if you're bouncing your head very hard on a very nice beat you're listening to, they won't fall off. These are very good earbuds. This AirPod earbuds is a little bit confusing. Those are very good earbuds from JBL, very good quality, tuned by Harman Kardon, whatever. It's something I would recommend, especially if you do sports. I actually like everything about it. The battery life is 3 hours. It could be a little bit more in the earpods, but knowing that weight would be a little bit heavier maybe. The only backdraw is the wireless earpods or earbuds are still quite expensive comparing them to the wired brothers and sisters that sound very good for much less. But it's actually the only downside. I really like them, their quality, they're good looking, they're durable, so I would really recommend them. JBL Free. Now, please don't forget to subscribe to the page, like, share, whatever you can do to help so we can make much more reviews. So we hope you enjoyed our little review today about JBL Free Earbuds. If you have any questions or comments, just write it down below. If you know something about it I don't know, just write it down. Please subscribe so you can see what's coming in the future. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. We can review whatever you like as long as we can afford it. After this review, we are going to make this one about the JBL E55 Bluetooth and why it is handy. We use it for VR right now. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next time.